Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Dataiku on AWS for ML-ready pipelines step-by-step clearly. To activate Dataiku on AWS for machine learning-ready pipelines, start by logging into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the AWS Marketplace and search for Dataiku. Select the Dataiku product from the search results. Review the pricing details and click Accept Terms. Next, select the Continue to Configuration option. Choose your desired AWS region for deployment. Select the instance type that meets your project's needs. Configure the network settings, including VPC and subnet selection. Ensure you have permissions set for user roles and IAM. Decide on the number of instances you want to deploy. Review all configurations, then click Launch. Review your launch status and wait for the instance to be provisioned. Once the instance is ready, find its public IP address. Open a web browser and enter the public IP address followed by the Dataiku port number, usually 17,000. This will take you to the Dataiku login page. If this is your first time, create an admin account. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete your installation process. Set up your workspace by importing datasets and connecting to relevant data sources. Now you're set to build and manage machine learning pipelines in Dataiku. Ensure that you regularly update your instance with the latest features and security patches. Explore integrations and plugins available within Dataiku to enhance your ML capabilities. Take advantage of Dataiku's collaborative features to work with your team effectively. Monitor your pipelines regularly to ensure optimal performance. Utilize the documentation and resources provided by Dataiku for troubleshooting and advanced features. Congratulations, you have successfully activated Dataiku on AWS for ML-ready pipelines. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.